2025 was another big year at Glide. We shipped a lot of stuff to the product and we worked on a lot more that's going to be coming to fruition early next year. But to close this one out, let's take a quick look at what we built together in 2025. Workflows came out of beta in January. Workflows is a native automation editor right inside of Glide that lets you build powerful automations that are deeply integrated with your apps and your data. And since then, they have become a core part of how many Glide teams use Glide day to day. And this was a major step for us. It completed what we kind of see as the 4 core parts of software creation inside of Glide: data, layout, AI, and automation. And it meant that teams could run real operational work without having to rely on third-party tools. Building on that momentum, the education team worked really closely with experts and the Glide Solutions team to launch Glide's 5th certification, all about building intelligent workflows with AI. 2025 was also the year where LLM-based coding agents really took off, and in response, we shipped an early experimental version of Glide Agent. Glide Agent is an AI-powered assistant that helps you assemble apps using plain language. You describe what you want, and it generates layouts, structures data, and gives you a working starting point that you can then refine. The jump from 0 to a functioning app for new users became dramatically faster. And for us, this release was also about learning. It was about exploring how far we can automate the often tedious early parts of setting up a Glide app for the first time, but without taking away that control from the user. And we are learning a lot. There is a lot more to come in this space early next year. So beyond automation and agents, we shipped a wide range of core platform improvements. We launched multiplayer mode, allowing multiple editors to actually work and build in Glide. We introduced data backups for Glide Bigtables with configurable intervals and restores. We rolled out Team SSO across apps to simplify the security needs for growing organizations. We also shipped new components, including voice transcription, tabs container, and redesigned charts, along with a wide range of integrations. We also deepened our relationships with a lot of the Glide experts and agency partners around the world. These partners work very deeply inside the businesses that they serve, and many of them are actually growing very quickly, hiring teams, taking on more and more complex customers. And they also provide really valuable insight into how Glide is actually used in the real world, in real business. And as the year comes to a close, we are at 475 certified experts globally. Together, they brought over 1,000 new customers to Glide and contributed to more than 20% of Glide's revenue. Now, we're always talking with customers, but across the team, a lot of us this year spent some really good high-quality face-to-face time with our customers, which is not always the case in tech or remote teams. Ren, our head of content, has been meeting, filming, and documenting the stories behind our customers and the way that they work. And this resulted in 12 customer stories and 75 blog posts, all informed by direct conversations with builders and operators. You can read more about them over at glideapps.com/customers. We went to a lot of events this year. We sponsored the Create With conference in London, where we met a lot of great people from our community. We attended the PGA Tour Championship, where we saw over 40,000 people check in using a Glide app. We attended the Microsoft Excel World Championships in Las Vegas, and we'll be sponsoring that next season. And as a fully remote company, we also made a lot of time to come together this year. We held offsites throughout the year to work on research and investing in the platform, and we brought the whole team together recently for our yearly Glide Away in Cabo. Overall, it was a really good year for the people behind Glide, the customers, the experts, and the team. And we are really excited to share with you what we've been working on behind the scenes early next year. It's going to take us back to our roots in some ways, and it's going to take us in a very new direction for the way that we build with Glide. Watch this space.